Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. So in this video, I'm here to make a big update, guys, as usual on AMC and GME. I also want to go with you through what is happening on the global market. We're going to discuss the good plays as well from yesterday, and I'm going to show you exclusively, even for those who are not in Discord, some of the plays that I posted today. Let's get into it. Alright guys, yesterday we started with GME. Today we're going to start with AMC. So the close has not happened yet, guys. It's 8 p.m. here in France, so I need to go dinner soon. I'm gonna update you guys if something crazy happens before the close, but I'm gonna make my video right now. AMC is trading at 18. We are right now up 3%. We didn't start the day very good. We started flattish, then we went a little bit lower. We found some support. Let's see where we found support. I have not prepared this video, so I'm gonna analyze live with you. Of course, I follow the price action, but I noticed that we didn't reach the 16.3 level, which is rather good news. When a support is not reached and we have a bullish reaction before, it is usually signaling that bulls are just ahead of the support, which is once again rather good news, but it's too early to celebrate for now. The good thing that I'm seeing, guys, which is positive, is that we have we had like eight red candles, then one green, one red, and now one green again. So this is the beginning of a consolidation. So for now it is too early to say that we have bottomed. We are coming close to some strong supports, because once again the breakout level is always a strong support. Why? So the breakout, once again, I remind you guys, this is what I was explaining in yesterday's video. We are looking for this kind of signal, guys, and once again on AMC, as you know, there are many tricks, but whenever the signals are very clean, they are usually working well. Here, the whole way down, guys, we had a lot of fake signals, and here we had a good and clear signal, which was a breakout with volume increase. So this was the beginning of this massive move up that happened here. And whenever we have this kind of levels that occur with increasing volume and that leave a mark that is strong both on the bear side and on the bull side, these levels are usually acting very well as support in this case. When we have an upside breakout or resistance, it works the same way for downside breakout. So here, I was sincerely not expecting we go that low. We are here. We have not reached this level yet at 16.3. I don't know if we're going to reach it, maybe. What I know is that if we come here, all the bulls that didn't jump in the trade here, they would think like, all right, this is my chance. So this is the kind of reasoning that happens when we get back close to these levels. Of course, we need to come back close to these levels before it is too late and investors forget what happened here. And here, this memory is still a fresh memory. I personally remember that day very well, guys. I was in Panama. I think it was my first live training day. I was very excited, and I hope I'm going to have this excitement very soon again. So I can sum up quickly what I was saying in my yesterday's video. I said that because of the fact that we went that low, guys, in the second wave, this is not looking like a good second wave. Maybe we're going to have a deeper second wave and a massive third wave. I really do hope so. But what I must say is that whenever we go beyond the 61.8% retracement, which was here at 21, the probability of a massive third wave that happens, in one way is just lower. So right now, once again, my preferred scenario is that at some point we're going to bounce. So once again, I don't know if we have reached the low or not. I think that, maybe we're going to reach the low tomorrow, maybe not, but at some point we're gonna have here a massive rebound. Okay, so massive, maybe to the 22 or 26 area here, and then here we're gonna have bears attacking. All right, so rejection, then coming back, and hopefully we're gonna consolidate here. We need this consolidation once again to build up energy and to prepare, guys, for what we are waiting for so long. What I personally think will happen this year, hopefully before May, June. This was the target I had, at the beginning of the year. I was saying April, May, then I was saying May, June. Then in end of March, we had this huge run up. So I was saying, all right, maybe it's going to happen a little bit before. It's hard to predict, but I think we are still in the same area. Why is it gonna happen? I think before June or maybe July, I don't know, let's be very honest here, just because we have this downward sloping trend line that is very clearly identified as the major resistance where we have all the bears located. So if we manage to go through that, bears would have nowhere to hide. All right, so shorts would start to cover. We're gonna have some crazy things for sure. I'm not sure we're gonna be able to have this breakout. I really do hope so. I personally believe a lot in it. But what I'm very, very convinced about is that if we do, guys, this is gonna be absolutely massive. This is gonna be the, I think the biggest squeeze that we have ever seen on the market. I really do hope so. I think we have all the ingredients that are reunited to for the scenario to happen. But for now, guys, we're not here yet. So let's talk about what we're having right now, which is still not amazing, but we're having this consolidation that I told you guys yesterday we are waiting for. I was showing you that, you know, we have here this consolidation. So in this situation, we're looking either for a consolidation here of this whole move down, or of this only move down, a consolidation here. Okay, so you can see things in different time frames. On the lower time frame, we want a small consolidation here, then a rebound. And on a higher time frame, we want a big consolidation here, or go right away through it. But once again, everything that goes too quickly, without consolidating, without taking back energy, I was, guys, I remember during my life telling you, I hope we're gonna make a pause at some time, at some point, because if we don't, then, you know, bears are just gonna take their revenge. And here for me it was good enough, but you see in the end we didn't pause enough. This market was just going too high too quickly, and whenever this happens, bears are attracted to everything that goes too high too quickly, and they just jumped at this opportunity, and they pushed back the price action close to the breakout area where everything has started. So to sum up my view, guys, I think that we are out of trouble soon, maybe not right now. I think that we're gonna have a strong move up happening soon, but I don't think it's gonna be really the third wave. Maybe it's just gonna be, you know, the first wave of the third wave, and we're gonna have a longer third wave. I'm not sure. What I just think is that right now we're gonna have a rejection occurring at 22 or 26, and then here there's gonna be one more opportunity in maybe mid-May to jump in this trade. So I think that, you know, buying now is good. Buying here is not good, and waiting here is good as well. So let's go. We're gonna see. For now, today is not a bad day, and I think that we are close to the end of this hopefully second wave. GME, guys, what is happening here? Same thing, guys. Look at that. This is even nicer. Okay, GME is behaving much better than AMC. You know, I mean. Alright, bam, let me get back. You see, guys, I was using the logarithmic scale. I need to switch. I'm back to the log scale right now, to the regular scale. I'm not using the same scales on both stocks for the reason that I have better reactions when I use the regular scale on GME. So you always need to switch from one to the other and check where you have the best reactions. What is a good reaction is whenever you have a consolidation that is giving you pure, like, clean reactions. All right, this is telling you that this trend line is followed by traders, by a lot of traders. So this is what you want to be doing as well. All right, trend lines are like a guide for traders. All right, so here this trend line is clearly, as you can see, acting a little bit like a magnet here. I was telling you yesterday, guys, that we are having 141.8 as a support, and today, okay, we went to 142. Fair enough. The market likes round numbers too, so fair enough. 141.8, 142, it's very close. We found support at our support level and got a bullish reaction. So I mean, it's looking just like on AMC, guys. I'm back on the 4 time frame right now. We're consolidating here, so we like these consolidations. I mean, we like it when we are at the top of the consolidation, because a consolidation, if we are at the bottom in a move down, it is looking like something that is gonna drop here. But whenever we consolidate and we are at the top of the consolidation, it's looking good because it's showing that bears are not in control anymore. So as long as we are in this kind of neutral area between 142 and 153, I would say. Once again, guys, you saw I just took this number. like I took the highs of this consolidation and I found 153. For those who are watching my videos often, you remember what is 153. It's our fib ratio, guys. So it's once again very interesting to see that whatever method you use, whatever technique, whatever time frame, whatever move you measure, you very often gonna find these levels, because the market is organized around these levels, because many different traders are using many different techniques that converge to these levels that then act as support, resistances, magnet, whatever you want. And there are the levels to watch for breakouts to know where the market will take a direction. So here, I don't have much to say, guys, let's be honest. It's a good day, but we need to see more. We need to see the price action, you know, coming back above this 153 level. This would be a good sign. We are still looking good on GME, guys. Nothing new at this fib ratio. We are still far above the 50% fib ratio. We have the RSI that's daily time frame that is starting to go up. So we have an inflection of the RSI, which is good, guys. So this is not a strong inflection, I agree, but it's still good to see this curve starting to go higher even before touching the 50 level. On AMC, it is still dropping a little bit. So yeah, GME is doing much better than AMC, and this is giving me a lot of hope, guys, because when I see GME, I'm bullish. This is looking very good, guys, for a third wave to come. We're gonna need as well to have the global market with us, and this is the good thing, guys. Let's quickly have a look at what happened here. Today I personally made money on pretty much everything. I bought yesterday, I told you guys, I think in the video I did before, I bought at 233. Or this was the day before, I'm not sure, but I have this long position. Here I didn't buy, here I took profits of the short position I built here, guys. Once again, I shared everything with you in Discord. And then I took a long position here at 338. I shared this trade ID as usual, guys. Bam, bam, bam. Triple Q. Okay. A good way to play it is to buy 339 and stop loss 335. All right, this is what I told you guys yesterday. What I did is that I bought a slightly lower. Sometimes I modify the levels I'm giving you because I'm live and I see I need to modify quickly, but it's pretty much the same thing I did. And of course, for the platinum members, I gave you the exact level because this is for the gold area, but whatever. And right now I'm gonna personally take profits very early, guys, and start to rebuild my short position, because to me this market is still moving sideways. It's going to be ups and downs, so buying on the downside, selling on the upside is the right way to trade this market. So this is what I'm going to keep doing. This helped me to make a lot of money, guys, in the past 3 months. I started to be short here, as you can see. When the breakout occurred, I of course gave you guys this in Discord. A lot of you I know made money with me in the move down. And right now we are just, you know, playing buying low, selling high. It's a quite easy market, I would say, quite predictable. So hopefully, because some other markets like AMC or GME are not that easy to predict, I must say, but hopefully we still have those you know, basics that we can count on to make money. We then had oil, guys. Oil is showing very good signs. So here I'm still long. I have call options, guys. I bought some shares here at 93. I was on USO, but it's pretty much the same. I took a little bit of profit, roughly half of my position right now here, because we arrive on this triangle. Look at that, guys. I don't know if you are positioned on some energy stocks, but guys, it's gonna start to be hot again. I personally have long positions on many energy stocks. I gave you a lot of them, guys. I gave you DT. I gave you DT, by the way. This morning I told you guys it's time to take profit. This is another trade idea that I gave you guys back in the time when we had the first breakouts. And here, so there are a lot of those stocks. If you're not with me in Discord, I'm not gonna give you all of them here, but I can tell you that all these stocks, guys, are gonna start to move strongly higher if we have this breakout confirmed. So we're gonna see, we're gonna analyze that. I'm personally happy with the position I have. Maybe I'm going to increase some of them, but this is looking like a breakout here. So we're going to see if we are able to have this increase in volume. Once again, guys, for those who want to understand everything about breakouts, just follow my course, guys. I did it for you. And now we have multiple payment that is available for those who cannot afford a one-time payment. They're gonna be maybe later in a few months some discounts as well, like I did at the beginning, but for now I made a multiple payment option for those who are interested to get the course. And once again, guys, I can tell you that this course will help you to identify all of the situations, and that this is what I'm using, guys, in this code for a pretty long time. And I'm very sure that a lot of you are happy about what we're doing here, and we're gonna keep using those techniques, guys, because this is how you make money in the long run. And here I can tell you that this is a very nice breakout situation. We only missed the volume breakout, and those who follow the course are now understand fully why if we have this breakout with increase in volume, this is going to be a victory of bulls that is probably going to be followed by a strong move up. We're going to discuss target later, but I can tell you guys it's going to be maybe around 140. I don't think in June, but before the end of the year, I'm very sure we're going to see this area between 115 and 145. I think we're going to revisit the high 145 and maybe even break out above that level. If this happens, guys, I don't know how the market will be looking, because for inflation it would be really, really bad. We are not there yet. Silver as well, guys, keep pushing higher. So once again, this is the trade I gave you. We bought here, guys. You bought with me, I hope. And another one, guys, Ather. So I gave you Ather as well, guys. So of course, sometimes I'm giving you trades that are not working, you know, but here I'm showing you what worked well, because I think it's interesting to see how those trades were built. So here Ather was identified on the 5th of April, guys, and I was saying to buy between 3 and 380, stop loss at 2, target 5.6. All right, so we bought here at 373 roughly, and this morning I told you guys, pam how to move your stop loss. Once again, this is in the course for those who are interested. Whenever you're in a winning trade, sometimes you need to take profit, sometimes you need to let it run. Here the strategy I gave you guys this morning is to take 50% of the profit at 5.5, just below this resistance at 5.7, and to let the rest run. Tomorrow I'm going to show you where to adjust the stop loss, but for the once again those who follow the course, you know already where to put your stop loss tomorrow. And right now here it's quite nice what is happening, because we are breaking out above 575. So what does it mean? For now, I mean, it means that bulls are very strong. Was this resistance a very strong one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 reactions. Look, the RSI starts to be overbought. So an RSI can stay overbought for quite some time. But whenever it is overbought, it's going to attract some bears. So I think that here we might push higher. The next resistance is here. Tomorrow I'm going to give you some levels, guys. I think it's time to take full profit here. Because if we have a breakout coming from the lows, as for AMC, as for everything, guys, that is not consolidating, even if we break out, we're going to retest. So here, taking the rest of the profit at 7.5 make total sense for tomorrow, for those who are still in this trade. Moving the stop loss higher and let it run makes sense as well. I would personally take profit here. And then we can, if we have a breakout here, guys, without consolidation, I would personally not get in this trade. I don't like to trade breakouts that happen after there was no consolidation, because they are just, you know, not very safe, not very reliable. So let's see what's going to happen, but maybe we're going to have something like that and a crazy move up. We're going to analyze all of that, and I gave you exclusively, guys, one trend that I gave you this morning, TK80, that had a nice run up here. I told you, I'm not sure if I said that to the platinum, guys, or where I mentioned that. Okay, whatever, I don't see it. Oh yeah, it was here. Okay, okay, we were already there. Whatever, I didn't give you any alert because it was too late, actually. So this was when I saw the huge breakout when I was in Panama. We had already touched 475, which was the resistance, and now we are pulling back. So now I gave you the alert this morning. I personally didn't jump in this trade. I don't trade all the alerts I'm sending you guys because I'm happy with the position I'm having right now. But it's a good alert because we are coming back on the 20-day moving average. We had a breakout with consolidation and volume, and we are at a fib ratio. So to me, this is a strong support, and this is what I posted in my Discord. Once again, I'm giving you guys this trade that is still valid. I posted it this morning, a little bit lower, let's be honest, but the level is still attractive to me. Let's see. I think that TK can have a nice run up. Of course, guys, we use a stop loss, and we have oil breaking out. That's pretty interesting. So let's conclude, guys. AMC still at 18. You know, so pretty much neutral between 18 and 19. If we're able to close above 19, it would probably be the beginning of this new move up. I think we're gonna have a strong move up happening soon, but I don't think it can really go to the 70-100 area right away. We're gonna need to make a pause. Gme is looking great, guys. I really like this chart. I bought some AMC this morning, so it was the same. I need to buy my call options on AMC, just because I said I would do it, so I finish it, and then I'm gonna start to buy more GME. I'm just waiting for the spread to tighten a bit. AMC is still trading at a discount compared to GME, but maybe there is a reason for that. If the spread is lasting, you know, a long time, and we have some nice volume that is exchanged with the spread, then maybe this, you know, the ratios I gave you, which was around 6, will need to be revised, and we're gonna analyze all of that. But the longer we stay with these new levels, GME at 150, AMC at 18 roughly, the longer it makes me think that I need to buy some GME. So let's see, we're gonna see what happens, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the sub, like and bell button so that you're gonna be the first to know when I upload anything new. And stay close to shore. I'll see you guys.